Why not choose DIY web design? 1. Professionalism. Be ambitious, but do not be so ambitious that you decide to learn everything about DIY web design. It's because that does not lead to success. If you think your basic knowledge of web design is enough to establish a business, you are indeed ready to get your business lost in the crowd. Responsiveness, user-friendliness, credibility, trustworthiness, and authenticity are elements of a good website. Moreover, it has a theme that all colors and elements are dedicated to. One cannot take care of all aspects efficiently. It takes only 50 milliseconds for a user to decide if they find a website appealing or not. To beat the high competition, you should trust MK Website Services with the design of your website. 2. Efficiency. Designing a website involves a lot of technical expertise and knowledge. A site must be aesthetic as well as functional. If you are not a web design expert, you should dedicate all your focus to boosting your client base and improving the quality of your product. Leave the web design to a good company like MK Website Services. Also, they can save your time and the efforts you have put into creating a product. 3. Search engine optimization. Another reason DIY web design is not easy enough is search engine optimization. Click the link to learn more.